Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about how to use Facebook for your business. So if you have any startup idea or you are running a business, then this video is very useful to you. So watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So to grow your business idea, first thing first you have to do on Facebook is to create a page. This helps you to create an online business profile and get discovered by a customer. A Facebook page helps you to manage your business. You can use it to keep your customer updated. You can publish and promote your content, which helps people to connect with your product. The Facebook page will help you to create a community. To create a Facebook page, open menu, go to pages, tap on create. Now an interface like this will appear. Tap on get started. Provide them the required information. Add business name, add description, add profile and also add cover photo. When the page is created, upload post related to your business. You can even boost your post by running ads, which works as a promotion for your business. Also, Facebook provide a feature of marketplace. Marketplace is a place for businesses and for the people to discover, buy and sell item listed on Facebook. You can list your product on marketplace for free of cost. So these were some points which help you to grow your business with Facebook. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.